Hey guys, welcome to the show. Today we're going to be making outside round medallions that I've cut from the outside round portion of the cow. And we will be using thyme. You don't need that much obviously, but if you want to, I like thyme. Butter, smoked Parmesan. Parmesan would do just fine for this, in fact, if not better. Yeah. So we've got some zucchini here. What we're gonna do is score it in a spiral pattern. Yeah, it's been in the fridge a couple days, so it's a little dried up. But you know what? I'm gonna turn that into something delicious. So let's get started. Let's get the butter onto medium to high heat. And basically sear it on all sides, including its sides. The reason why I don't let it sit in one place and just do its thing is because butter is very unpredictable and it burns. So what we're gonna do is add some thyme, some salt, some oregano, give it all a good toss. The only way to make this tender now is by putting on a lid and turning it off. Fry off some zucchini in vegetable oil, salt, and oregano, and a bit of thyme. Here. Once the zucchini is roasted on both sides, what you need to do is add the onion and just saute it for a bit until you get it to the type of onion that you like when it's sauteed. And then after that, just deglaze the pan with some apple cider vinegar or some sort of vinegar to help stop the burning process and to also help the sugars caramelize as well. It adds a bit of sourness and a lot of flavor. That's good enough for me. I've turned it off. Now I'm just going to arrange it onto the plate. Start by adding a little oregano. Once we have a bit of a boil on it, what you want to do is add a little bit of balsamic vinegar, or any vinegar of your choice. Balsamic vinegar is made with grapes, so grape vinegar would do. Next thing we're going to do is add our corn flour, add our starch, so I'm adding corn flour. You can add whatever you like, but right after this stage you have to mix really quickly, alright? Add water and let it boil. And if you want, it can help you clean your pan as well. See? Just tilt the pan. Make sure you don't drop any. Just be careful with it. Stir it around again. Eventually, in about a minute, it will thicken up. So everything is ready. So the gravy is ready. I've thrown in some of those, some slices of that smoked Parmesan I showed you, just to soften it up. What's going to happen now is this sauce is going to be carefully put onto the steak, carefully laid onto the steak. So here we go, right onto the plate, or right onto the steak rather. And just a little bit more on both the other two. There you have it, guys. Steak with balsamic gravy, caramelized onions, and zucchini. Enjoy. As you can see, the beef is cooked to medium, and that's exactly how I like it.